Alright, I'd just like to make a little quick video for staff and students to show them how the new Google website software works. Now this is the new portal for staff. It looks different than the old one and different to students. If I click on G Suite for a staff member, when it comes up, we come up with a little list of software that we can use, and the one we're going to use is new sites. Don't use this one, use this one. If you click on this, it'll come up, and you have to use Google Chrome. Do not log in using Internet Explorer because it doesn't work. If you use Google Chrome, this software will work, and you can use it with other students and other staff members. So what you do, yes, I've got some websites here, but I've been practicing with other students just using it. Okay, what I'll do is I'll click on here, create a new site, and you'll see it quickly comes up with your page title. You can call your page title anything, okay? So let's call it Tom's, okay? I'll put apostrophe of ownership in there. So that's Tom's site. You'll name the site up here as well. This is the file name, and this is the website's header. There are 2 or 3 different things. So this is the website name, the file you'll find in your Google Drive. So Tom's site. Okay, you can name it after you or name it after the assessment task. And now this is again a little bit extra. When you go to publish your site for the first time, publish, it comes up and asks you now a web address. Now if you see this, if you name the site first, it'll come up with Tom's site. You can actually call it anything you like, okay? And you have to keep going through a series of names until this blue button turns up. So I'll give you an idea. If I just call it A, you can see there that it won't accept. If I call it B, C, we'll keep going. It looks like it might publish that. That's taken already. D. Okay, so there's no site in the world called this ABCD. So what I'll do is I'll just cancel that and go back to the original name, Tom's site. Should comes up, it's happy with that, and I'm going to publish that. Now that is live and on the internet when it finishes right now. Now you want to add a few things to them. You want to add some pictures. Well, you can see them over here. You can add all the things you like. You can see 3 pictures here. You can add 2, 1 down the side. You can have different layouts. You can have images, buttons, YouTube. You can click it in there. And how do you do that? Well, you just click on the blank spot and you say, I want to put in a YouTube clip, and you click that, and it'll come up with the address of a YouTube video that you'd like to put in. Most times you want to maybe put in a text box, so I'll click one here, I'll put in a text box, and you can write a question, answer, anything you like in there. I'll click on it underneath, and I want to put in 3 pictures. I'll click on here, and you can see 3 pictures come up. Okay, 3 places to put pictures come up. Okay, I'll just do this an example. You've downloaded a whole lot of images that you're going to use for your assessment task or your website, whatever you're going to do, and to put them up, you click on here, you upload the image. Okay, and I'll just use these ones. Click that, upload an image, use that one, click, upload an image, here's that one. And you'll notice they fit in there perfectly, they look fantastic, and again, when I'm finished, I just publish. Now this is all about playing. I can go on for hours about how it does it. So that's page 1. If you want more pages, you just click over here and you add a new link, okay, or a new page. And the page will appear, its name will appear up here. Okay, again, it's just you playing, away you go. I will do that for you. I'll add a new page. So I want to call a new page. I'll click on here. I call it page 2. You can call it something else. You go done. Okay, and when it finally finishes, I might just call page 2 for you so you can see it. So now Tom's site has got a home page And the second page, you publish that and away you go. So you got page 1, page 2, no problem. I'll allow that to finish for a moment. And this is a great way to do assessment tasks. They won't get lost. You can save them. You can put in a PowerPoint if you want. You can share them. And you can actually see them on the internet. How do you tell your teacher where they are? Well, you want to show your page. What you do is you click on this one, copy the published site, and your site, this is your web address, here it is. Just copy that. Now you can email it to your teacher. But what I'd like to do, I would tell you, the best idea is if you go into and you've already created a classroom, then you add that site to the bottom of the assessment task. You do it straight away after you've just done a couple of little minutes. I'll show you some in my photography class here. Okay, so in the assessment task, you can see the students here, the students I've got, they just added it in. Just click there, and you can see the student site. Okay, so the teacher sees, this is what we see, but they've just added in a little link and it's there all the time. Now you continue to build your site and your assessment task, you publish it, and the teacher can always see your academic work, and you've got a great product really to show everybody. It's a fantastic way to produce a website, and you can go home and look at it and share it with your friends. Okay, I'll go back very quickly and maybe show you a quick couple of sites. So if I go to Benny's here, Ben's done a site, and you can see here, this is what it looks like live on the internet. Okay, so he's got a header. You can change the picture if you like. You'll figure out how to do that. You want a picture and text, 3 pictures, an extra picture here. He's got page 2, pretty good, and you'll figure out all the setups, no problem. Now, bit quick, however it works perfectly. The next thing is, how do you find this site, this one, on the student portal? Now most times when you get into your email, and I'll pull up a blank page, you'll see what they call up in your email, or up in the right hand corner when you go into Google Drive, you will see what they call the waffle. That is the 9-dot button. You click on that and up comes your list. Now you'll notice down here, exactly like you, that sites, the one you're after, does not appear under this waffle. The only way you can find it is to log in to your student portal, go down to the left hand side, don't go to your email, go to the left hand side, and when you click on G Suite, there you will find the option to pick the new Google Sites. Have a play. Once you've done it once, it's easy and you can show friends. Alright, thank you.